Back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to secure your Ace wallet on public Wi-Fi. To secure your Ace wallet on public Wi-Fi, follow these practices to protect your cryptocurrency and personal data. First, Ace wallet supports two-factor authentication for added security. Open Ace wallet application and log in using your credential. Now, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to Settings option. Here, you can see Set up two-factor security. Click on Tap to unlock account settings and you will be prompted to type your password here. After typing your password, click on Submit button and your settings will be accessible. Now click on Set up two-factor security and follow the procedures. You can also turn off automatic Wi-Fi connection. Ensure that your device isn't set to automatically connect to public Wi-Fi network. Manually select the network to connect to, reducing the risk of connecting to a malicious Wi-Fi hotspot. Also avoid making large cryptocurrency transfer or engaging in any high-value transaction when connected to a public Wi-Fi. If possible, wait until you are on a secure private network before sending or receiving crypto. You can also use a firewall. Enable a built-in firewall on your device to protect against unauthorized incoming connection. On most devices, the firewall can be found under Security settings. Ensure it is turned on while using public Wi-Fi. You can also disable file sharing and airdrop. On public Wi-Fi, disable file sharing features like airdrop or Bluetooth to prevent unauthorized access to your device. Ensure that biometric security such as fingerprint or Face ID is enabled on Ace wallet. This adds an extra layer of security while accessing your wallet on public Wi-Fi. Ensure the latest software updates. Regularly update both your Ace wallet application on your device operating system to ensure you have the latest security patches. Also check for secure Wi-Fi and monitor your wallets. You can also clear browsing data. When possible, use your mobile data or trusted network instead of public Wi-Fi for transaction. Be cautious of charging devices on public USB ports as they can be exploited to access your device data. By following these steps, you can better secure your Ace wallet while using public Wi-Fi, reducing the risks of cyber attacks or unauthorized access. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.